10 videos, 5 reach and 1 view. It feels like a typo, but that's the truth. My last video reached 5 people and 1 of them watched it. The CTR was 20%, which sounds impressive until you realise it just means that YouTube showed it to almost nobody. And the one person who saw it kind of clicked. It's not a strategy, it's probably just a family member being polite, or more likely it was me checking it uploaded, to be fair. So then 10 videos in, what's gone wrong and what am I doing about it? This is my uncomfortably honest diagnosis. When I watch my own videos back, I usually switch off during the intro. There's this preamble that circles around the point for 2 or 3 minutes. It's trying to unearth some pain in you, the viewer, and then never actually delivers on anything. 13 minutes of shallow waffle with a 2-minute point buried somewhere in the middle is kind of the gist of the videos. The intention is to make a great video, but I fail, and I probably know why I failed, and yet I keep doing it anyway. The lighting doesn't help. I've been shooting with dramatic Rembrandt lighting, the kind that makes everything feel like a Netflix documentary about a disaster. But then I'm making videos about perseverance. They probably shouldn't look like an interview like about the Titanic sinking. The vibe I've been creating is darker and more negative than the message I'm actually trying to deliver. So, that's on me. And then, the one bit that kind of stings is I actually make videos professionally for a living. Somehow the knowledge stays at the door when the camera points at me. Partly because I'm filming in a bedroom that looks like a storage unit had a mental breakdown. Got camera gear, drying racks, boxes, a reasonably priced ergo chair, but it's also about 13 years of my life just stored in this one bedroom because I can't exactly put it in the rest of the house. That's other people's space as well. The cleanest angle available is the one that you're seeing right now, and even that's a negotiation. So what is actually going to be changing going forward? Only one thing, because changing too many variables will stop me learning anything. So the lighting will change today. Going to go softer, brighter, and more straight on, and that's it. The lighting is changing because everything else I need to fix requires just more reps. I don't have enough videos out there for YouTube to know who to show them to. The only cure for that is volume and time. But the lighting, that's something I can fix today. So why am I making this video now? This channel is like a document. It's me building something from scratch in public with no guarantees, making beginner mistakes that someone who theoretically knows better shouldn't be making. And that's sort of the point. If you're sitting on videos that you haven't made yet because you're waiting until you know what you're doing, you're looking at a guy who knows what they should be doing and is still getting it wrong. But imperfect action beats the hell out of perfect hesitation. You probably can't do worse than 5 reach and 1 view, so you've got nothing to lose. Just take those steps. This whole channel was built on the idea that starting from behind isn't the end of the story. If there's one thing I know, it's that starting this journey in your 30s with no safety net, no prior audience, that actually gives you an edge, one that the 20-year-olds in their parents' houses just don't have. I did a deep dive on exactly why that late start is your biggest secret weapon in my last video, the one that got no views. But if you're sitting here wondering if you've missed the boat, watch that one next. It's the reason I'm still standing here for video 11.